In today's video, I'm going to teach you about using flex budgeting in Monarch Money. We'll delve into if this approach is the right fit for you and how to make the most of it. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear understanding of flex budgeting's benefits and some of its challenges. So why should you consider flex budgeting? At its core, flex budgeting is all about simplified spending management. Rather than setting up individual budgets for each expense category, you focus on a single flex number. This represents the amount you can spend on variable expenses every month. If traditional budgeting feels too detailed or restrictive for you, this method might offer the breath of fresh air you need. It allows you to concentrate on your overall spending rather than tracking every penny in every category. One of the standout features of Monarch Money's flex budgeting is its automatic adjustments. Monarch Money analyzes your spending habits and suggests a default flex budget based on your historical data. This automation takes the guesswork out of the equation and helps you set a realistic spending limit without lengthy manual calculations. The ability to rely on tailor-made data suggestions means you don't have to start budgeting from scratch. For those who appreciate having some flexibility with budgeting categories, this method truly shines. While you have the liberty to set specific budgets for certain categories like groceries or entertainment, it's not a requirement. This gives you the freedom to allocate funds where needed without the constraints of strict category limits. Another convenient aspect of flex budgeting is the ease of adjustments. You can update your flex budget at any time by simply changing the total amount. Such flexibility is particularly beneficial when adapting to shifts in income or unexpected expenses. The freedom to make these modifications ensures that your budget stays relevant to your current financial situation. Before making the switch, there are a few considerations to bear in mind. If you're someone who enjoys detailed tracking of every spending category, flex budgeting might seem too broad. In that case, sticking with traditional category budgeting can offer the precision you crave. Moreover, without specific category limits, there is potential for overspending in areas you hadn't anticipated. It's crucial to monitor your spending closely to avoid any financial pitfalls. To set up and manage your flex budget in Monarch Money, head over to your dashboard. Click on the designated categories and set up your preferences. You have the option to create groups or highlight specific items. By customizing these settings, you can tailor the platform to suit your budgeting style. In summary, flex budgeting can be a great tool for those seeking simplicity and flexibility in managing expenses. With its automated suggestions and easy adjustment options, it can greatly streamline your financial planning. However, always weigh its pros and cons based on your personal financial goals and habits. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make an informed decision on whether flex budgeting in Monarch Money is right for you.